Just everyone listen. Don't write anything, you can write later, but just listen now. What is the exact meaning of subsidiary alliance? Subsidiary alliance, everyone thinks that it came over a period of, it came suddenly in 1798, but no. It was developed in 4 stages over a period of time. In 4 stages it was developed. In first stage, subsidiary alliance is called as renting the army and collecting the fee. This is just the first stage of subsidiary alliance. And the English will rent the army to the native princely state and they will collect the fees. This is first stage. In second stage, subsidiary alliance is developed in the form of English army. English army will be watchdog outside the territory, outside the state, and collect rent. This is second stage of subsidiary alliance. In second stage, English army will be the outside the native princely state border, and it will be the watchdog, and it will protect and collect the fee. In third stage, English army shall be watchdog inside the state and collect the fee. Did you understand? In the third stage, now English will protect inside the Hyderabad. Inside the Hyderabad means, inside the native princely state means from any internal revolt. It will protect the Raja. In second stage, it will protect from outside, from any outside attacks, and collect the fee is common. And the final stage, this final stage came in 1798. Okay? This finally the subsidiary alliance have taken a definite shape here. In fourth stage, English army will be stationed inside and collect not fees, and they will collect lands if they don't pay fee. Finally, they will protect and they collect lands or fertile regions. So according to the fourth stage now, Hyderabad have to pay land, not money. Because they are not paying money, now they have to pay land. A land enti? Ceded. This is actual subsidiary alliance. Subsidiary alliance 1760s, 1770s నుంచి ఒక్కొక్క స్టేజ్ లో డెవలప్ అవుకుంటూ పోయింది. This was actually the idea of Dupleix. French governor Dupleix applied this on Hyderabad state first. Later, Clive copied it. Warren Hastings, Lord Wellesley copied it and applied it in Hyderabad state again. This is our meaning, subsidiary alliance. Now, according to the subsidiary alliance, a British officer who is called as resident will be posted in the capital city of the princely state. He will be in charge of that princely state in managing all the affairs. And according to the princely state, the native princely state Raja shall not have his own army. And also, native princely state Raja shall not have any kind of external relations with any other princely state. Subsidiary alliance ప్రకారం, ఈ ఒప్పందం ప్రకారం ఏ స్వతంత్ర సంస్థాన రాజు అయినా ఇంకో స్వతంత్ర సంస్థాన రాజులతో ఎలాంటి ఒప్పందాలు ఇంగ్లీష్ అనుమతి లేకుండా చేసుకోరాదు. ఈ రాజాలకు సైన్యము ఉండదు. అంటే వీళ్ళ ఆధిపత్యం పూర్తిగా కోల్పోయినారు. ఇప్పటి నుండి పూర్తిగా ఇంగ్లీష్ యొక్క సావెర్నిటీ ఉంది ప్రిన్స్లీ స్టేట్. ఇక నామమాత్రపు రాజులుగా మిగిలిపోతారు వీళ్ళు. ఇది బ్రెయిన్ ఆఫ్ లార్డ్ వెల్లెస్లీ. క్లియరా? సో ఇది తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ నేను సంతకం పెడతా అని ఉరుక్కుంటూ వచ్చింది ఎవరంటే నిజామ్స్.